strategy that you can use to grow your $10 account. Okay, now you are on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, here on my channel I post strategy. Okay, I share with you guys powerful strategy you can use your small account. Okay, that's what I do here on this channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys another powerful one. Okay guys, this one is a very good spike catching strategy. Okay, this strategy you can be catching spike every single day. Okay, now it's a very simple strategy, so I want you all to listen attentively and don't skip any part of this video because there are some powerful information that you don't want to miss. Okay, now without wasting much of our time, okay, the first condition for this strategy is, you see this red line right here, this red line right here, this is the MACD signal line. Okay, you are going to have to allow it, okay, to get to the 10 level, okay, which is the oversold level, right? Now after allowing it to get to that level, okay, now see this blue one, this the blue line here, right? This is the stochastic oscillator. Okay, I will show you the setting very soon. Okay, now this is the stochastic oscillator. We are going to allow it also, okay, to get to the oversold level. Okay, now the stochastic oscillator is the one that is going to be moving faster than the red one. Okay, the MACD line. Okay, so it's going to be the one to get to the oversold level first. Okay, then you wait for the MACD to also get there, okay, before taking a buy. Okay, we are on bone right now, we are on bone. Okay, so you are going to apply the opposite on crash. Okay, you know how these things work. So now you have allowed your first condition to be met, right? Now what you wait for now is to wait for a spike. Okay, you wait for a spike to occur, right? Now you are waiting for a spike, and then you see that like there is a spike here, right? Now once there is a spike, you look at your indicator window here. Okay, your indicator window right here. Now on the indicator you are going to see that this blue line, right, has crossed above the red MACD line, right? Now what you have to be doing, okay, what you have to be doing is to go in for a buy, right? You are on bone, so you are going to buy. Okay, now you will go in immediately this spike occur right here. Now your stop loss is going to be below that spike, so right, it's going to be below that particular spike that cross the red line, right? Now after the crossing, you go in and your stop loss is below there, right? Now the next thing is to wait till, right, maybe when it will spike for the first time, it will not get to this overbought level yet. Okay, maybe it's going to be around somewhere here, right? But you need to make sure that it's crossed clearly, okay, above the red line. If you are seeing the crossing, it should be clear. Okay, right, you need to be sure that it has crossed very well, something that will maybe cross above the red line a little bit, and then you have to take that kind of signal. You need to cross very well. Now after you have confirmed that, now you enter, and then if it spike again and you see it touching the overbought level, which is the 90 level, okay, that is when you exit the market. Okay, this is a scalping strategy. It's not something you hold for long. Okay, you go in, catch the spike, and then you go out, right? Now let me show you another example. This is same thing that happened here. This is why I said don't hold, right? Now you see this one right here, it's still spike, right? There was this small spike right here, there was this small spike, right, and then it crossed here, right? Then you hold, it still spike, right? And this is that spike. Now that one is now showing that it's getting to the overbought level. Now some people will still want to hold, right, spike. So my add that don't hold with this strategy, right? It's a spike catching strategy and it's a scalping strategy, right? Just go in and go out with this. Like if you are doing it like that, you will have more winning than losses, than loss trades. Okay, you are going to have more winning trade than losing trade, right? Hope you get what I'm trying to say here. Now this is another example to show you things clearly. Now you see that there is this spike, this small spike here, right? And then on the indicator window you see that it has crossed the MACD line, right? You have gone in here, which is this, and then the second spike came in, right? It didn't like touch the overbought level yet, right? You're still going to hold. Okay, then you are going to hold until you see that the blue line has gotten to the overbought level, right, which is this. Okay, this is the spike, this invincible spike here that made it to touch the overbought level, okay, and that is where you should exit the market, right? Now you see this is another winning trade, right? Let me show you another example again before we go, right? Now I will show you both the losing and the winning trade, right? Now you see that right here the MACD line did not touch the oversold level, right? Did not touch it, so there is no reason for you to go in. But you can see that the stochastic oscillator, the blue line, touches the oversold level, okay, but the MACD did not touch, so don't go in, okay? Our condition is not yet met, right? Then you go again, then you see right here it didn't still touch, but there was spike, okay? This market is not for you, okay? You make sure the conditions are met completely before you take your entry, right? You need to discipline yourself on this, okay? Listen very carefully and discipline yourself, okay? Now you see that here the MACD, right? The MACD, the red line, right? It touches the oversold level, which is the 10 level here, and then the stochastic oscillator, the blue line, is also touching it, right? You wait for a spike, okay? There was this small spike, okay? If like maybe we are in the current market area right now, you will see that this small spike will be showing you that the MACD, sorry, the stochastic oscillator, the blue line, is going to be showing you that it has crossing the MACD line, okay? Maybe we are where market is currently now. It will show you. This is just something that has happened in the past that I'm trying to use to show you as an example. So you wait for it to cross, right? It has crossed here, and then but it has crossed, but it hasn't gotten to the overbought level, right? And the next thing you do is to hold, okay? You enter and hold until it gets spike and gets to the overbought level. That is when you close your trade, right? I want to show you guys a losing trade so that you see what I'm saying. But you see, this is also a winning trade, right? That's why I told you guys this is a very powerful strategy. This is also another winning trade right here. You can see this. This is a winning trade also. And let me show you. This is also another winning trade. We are not taking any trade here. We are not taking any trade. We are not taking any trades here because the red line didn't touch the oversold level. This is another winning trade here also, and this is another winning trade here also. This is another winning trade here also, okay? And this is the type of one I said don't take, right? This one is not clear. Look at it, spike a little bit like above this thing like this. It's not. I want you to take entries that are clear, something like this second one here. Now you see that it's clear. You see the crossing happening clear like this. That is the one you are to take entry from, right? This is another winning trade too. I want to show you a losing trade. This is another winning trade. Yeah, this is also like this strategy is mad. And this is a losing trade, right? Now let's say you take your entry from this place, right? That's gotten to the overbought level. The red line is touching and the blue line spike, and there was a spike and it crossed above, right? Now you are waiting for it to get to the overbought level. Now I said that if it spike above, your stop loss should be here, right? Now it should be immediately after that spike, okay? Something like this. Now and then you take your entry from this and the top of that spike, right? Okay. Let's say, let me use it to mark this thing right. Let's say this is where you enter from, right here, above that spike, and then your stop loss is going to be here. Now you see that the losses, whenever the trade goes against you, you will not be losing more than, you will not even be losing up to $1 or $2, right? Highest you are going to lose is $2 on this kind of trade, right? Now you see this small tiny spike, it will not take like much of your account, okay? It will not blow your account. This kind of thing cannot blow your account, right? Now you see that you have gotten more than 3 winning trade already. So this small loss will not blow your account. So you see that this strategy is very good, right? This is a very good strategy. Actually, this is a VIP strategy, but I've decided to give it out for free, right? To help you guys. So you can see this is very good, right? This is a very good strategy. So I just want to show you this so that you see it for yourself and you know that this is a very good strategy, right? So I can keep showing you more examples, but there's no time, guys. I say I want to keep this video very short. So that is all about this strategy. Now for this red line on the main chart, this red line here on the main chart, this is just to help you confirm the crossing, okay? Now you know moving average is serving as support and resistance, right? So now you know that after the spike, you know that price has broken through that support and resistance zone, right? Now it's gone back to the test, and then you can see that there was a spike again. Okay, so that is what the moving average is trying to like help you to know, right? It helps us to confirm the change of trend, right? So that is the function. So it doesn't really matter. You can choose to ignore it or just put it to help you to confirm everything, right? So that is it for this video. Now I'm just going to share with you guys the settings. So that is it. And before I do that, if you have watched to this extent and you haven't yet subscribed, please go and do that. Okay, join the family. And please guys, if you are getting value, don't forget to hit that like button. Okay, it helps my videos. Okay, it helps YouTube, my video to get recommended by YouTube. Okay, so that is the function. That is why you are supposed to like it. So when you give my video a like, YouTube will promote it and recommend it to other people, so that I want this video to get to as many people as possible, okay, so that they can also benefit from this strategy and grow that their small account too. Okay, so now before I also share the setting with you, I want you to know something. You don't need to be going from here and there looking for a strategy. Okay, now you just need to look for one strategy. Okay, one good strategy, right? Now you have the strategy. Now the next thing that needs to come to your mind is risk management, right? Risk management. Okay, make sure you get the strategy that is good. That is one. And then the risk management. Okay, it needs to be very good. Like, you know, the market is not meant to give us money. They did it to actually take our money. Okay, so now you need something that has an edge over the market, right? Now you have a good strategy. The next thing that you need to come is the risk management. Something like if trade is going against you, the money you are losing is something that you can afford to lose, right? Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Okay, so you need to apply something that whenever trade goes against you, it will not shake you, right? It will not shake you. Now after that is done, now the next thing is the patience, right? No, this thing works with time, and sometimes it's like if you are not patient enough, you will not be able to succeed in this business, okay, this career or whatever you call it. Okay, so you need to be patient. You need to be someone that is very patient, right? Now you have the patience. Now the next thing that need to comes in is your discipline, right? That's like the discipline to always stick to the rules, right? Now I said if it doesn't get to the oversold level, don't buy, right? And if it doesn't touches the overbought level, don't close, right? Now you see, so the discipline to always keep to these rules is something that counts too, right? So if you have all these things, I don't see how you won't be profitable in this field, in this forex trading field or whatever you might call it, right? So you need to make sure you apply all these things, and then I assure you, you are going to make money, right? Now this strategy is a very powerful strategy, but it's going to give you losses too. Okay, now I used to see that some people post a strategy and say this is a 100% strategy, that you can't blow your account with this. My brother or my sister, it's all a lie. Okay, that's just the truth. It's all there is no strategy that is 100%. Okay, you need to just look for a strategy that like has 70%. Okay, 70%. What should I call it? Like edge, a 70% edge over the market. Something that is performing like a strategy that will give you more win than your losses, right? Okay, so that is something that you are supposed to use. Now if you have that kind of strategy, then you are good to go. The next thing is just your risk management. Okay, if your risk management is okay, then over time, you keep applying same thing, doing the same thing over and over again, you are going to surely come out profitable, right? Just make sure your winnings are more than your losses, and anytime you are losing trade, the amount you are going to be losing is not going to be up to the amount you are winning, right? Tell me, if you are doing this kind of thing, how wouldn't you be profitable? How are you not going to be profitable? So that's just what you need to know. All this going up and down looking for different strategies. Me, I've tried it. Like I've searched and searched looking for a strategy that is 100% so that I can use it and blow at once. Like I've searched and searched, but at last I realized there's nothing like that. Nothing like that. I've created strategies, testing it, checking. At the end, I'll see that there are times where it fails. There is no 100% strategy. You just look for something that is more like the winnings are more than the losses. Okay, backtest it 100 times. Backtest it. You mark the losses, mark the winnings, and then you count it. How many, like the winnings is more than the losses, or the losses is more than the winnings? If you do something like that, then you know a good strategy. And then the next thing is to apply your risk management, guys. So I said I want to make this video short, but I'm taking it long now. Okay, but I need you guys to know these things. Okay, now with that out of the way, I hope you guys get some value from this video. So I'm just going to like share the settings now and end the video. Right now, the first indicator here is the fractal, which is not important, not that important, but I like to apply it in all my videos. That's just it. So this is the setting. Sorry, not all my video, all my strategy. Okay, it has a specific function too. And then this is the moving average, right? And these are the setting. The period is 35, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Under the star we have 2 pixels, the color is red. You can use any color of your choice. Now under the indicator in the 1, okay, you first of all, right, you add the MACD, right? You first of all add the MACD. These are the settings. These are the settings, right? The 13, 21, 9, apply to close. Under the star we have 1 pixel, signal is 3 pixel, the color is red, right? And this is the red line you are seeing. This is the color, so you can use any color of your choice too. Okay, there's nothing here anymore. Now the next indicator right here is the stochastic oscillator. So after you have added the MACD, it's going to be there will not be 10 level or 90 level. So the stochastic oscillator will bring that for you. So this is the setting for the stochastic oscillator. You have the 60, 1, rise, field, close, method, exponential, right? Then the main, you have 4 pixel, the color is blue. This one right here. Then the signal 4 pixel, the color is blue. Now the levels you can see right here, 10 and 90, right? You go inside so that you see it clearly. And these are the settings. I make this place 2 pixel and the color is black, okay? So that the line will show, okay? This line, this is what I'm talking about. Let me show you. This line, right? For those of you that don't know how to do it, not those that already know how to do it, okay? This line here, so that it will show, right? This line here, the 10 and the 90 line, okay? So guys, that is all about this strategy. That is all you need to do. So thank you very much for watching to this point. I really appreciate your support. Those that are my returning viewers, God bless you. I'll keep dropping more powerful strategy for you guys. So that's it, guys. Silver out.